Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to set up 4K project setting in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Filmora and go ahead and click on new project right here. The next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Then come down below right here where you have project settings. Click on project settings. This is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on resolution. Then switch to 4K UHD. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have the size for 4K UHD. Then go ahead and click on your frame rate and choose whatever frame you use to record. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put it in 30 frame rate per second. Once you are done, select your wider screen, which can be 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, 1 by 1, which is Instagram standard, or 4 by 3 or 4 by 5 ratio, or you can come down here and click on custom. So however, I'm going to put it in 16 ratio 9 wider screen. Then come down below right here and hit on OK. And with that, you have fully set up and ready to produce your project in 4K UHD resolution in Filmora video editing software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.